What's up, classic car fans? Scott Brandt here with MotoeXotica, now in our 30th year of selling some of the bitchinest rides known to man. This week's MotoCast is one of our newest inventory items. Check it out. Stay tuned for details.
MotoeXotica.com.
Bottles mark my time in the alley and your absence. Wine will sing your name from the gutters of my palace. You'll see what you're missing. You know where I'll be. Honey, you walked out on Easy Street. Just you wait and see. Got newspapers, dames, and cobblestones. We ain't missing a thing. I sit back with my heels on the curbside. Man, I live like a king. You'll see what you're missing. You know where I'll be. Honey, you walked out on Easy Street. Just you wait and see. At the sky in a puddle. I've seen days that might have been. Streets lost its charm, and I'll be damned if this bottle ain't singing.
Thanks for watching. Now visit us on all of our social media platforms. You know what they are. Well, all that crap, and like and share and comment. Do it. You know you will. Thanks for watching again. Get out and drive.
MotoeXotica.com.